Do you have space in your trunk?
Thank you.
All this materialistic shit don't mean shit in the world. And when they won't let you do, I'm a fucking slave. I'm a slave to my management. I'm a slave to everybody. I don't get control of my license. I don't get control of my bank account. I don't get control of shit. I can't even drive that fucking car. They put it in the basement so I couldn't take it. I know I don't have a license, but if I had someone with the license, I could take it. So fuck everybody. Yeah, I like drugs, I like things, drugs, what you eat, no drugs, what you bleed, stuff, I might be like, that ain't ass, I'm like Christ, I'm like, I'm like, yeah.
What the hell is up, guys? Yuri here, and I'm starting my vlog, or starting this video on a street right next to my house with the homie Johnny J, 2 birds and a backwood. Today I'm gonna be filming something that I've actually been thinking about for a while, ever since I've seen these electric scooters come out. I tried to film this, I think like a couple days ago with Johnny, but we ran out of sunlight, and basically I wouldn't be able to use most of that footage, so I ended up just trashing that vlog right there. So I'm refilming the video right now. We have 2 birds in the back. The whole plan was to order an Uber, ask the Uber driver if we can put 2 of these birds in his car. Hopefully he or she says yes, and then we're gonna ask them to take us up to the highest point of Hollywood Hills, which is Mulholland, and you can actually drift these birds. I've been including a lot of these clips in my videos recently, but you can like slam on the back brake and just stops the back wheel, and you could just start drifting these things. It's super fun, and I want to go to the highest point of Hollywood Hills, take a really nice fun street down, and just drift the whole way down. I think it would make for really sick footage, and it would just be fun as shit. So that's the whole plan right now. We're gonna finish smoking this wood, call an Uber driver, try to convince him or her to come through and let us put the scooters in the car, and we're gonna get the show on the road. So let's get it.
Take all your pants, bitch, ain't no time for talking. Want me to do my dance, bands in my pocket. Come and get your mans, far up my rocket. Oh, bands, that's a check talking.
It's for Yuri?
Yes.
Excuse me, do you have space in your trunk? Is it okay we just put those scooters in there? Can you pull up right here and we'll just check on it? Thank you. Here we go. Boom! Alright, we're up here. Okay, we were just dropped off at the top of Mulholland, or at the top of Outpost in Mulholland, which is a really good street to go down on a skateboard, bike, anything, honestly, just because it's a really steep hill, it's really windy, and it's just been recently repaved. But the Uber ride was really freaking interesting. The Uber driver was really interested in, I don't know why the hell we were taking scooters all the way up here, but either way, here they are, here are the scooters. Oh shit, we forgot to unlock them way down there.
Bars.
Oh really?
Yeah, I got bars.
All right, hopefully, I didn't even think about this, but hopefully we're able to unlock these things because they're all the way up in the hills and we might not have service. But I'm gonna put the GoPro on my head, unlock these bad boys, and then we're going straight down the hill. So let's get it. So gnarly. Oh my god. Oh shit. My eye. Do a fat ass drift. I saw that. Alright, I'm now back in my pad and I have to say that was fun as shit. One thing that does kind of suck is there's like a, I'm not sure if it's like a program or like a brake in the scooter, but for some reason it doesn't let you coast past 20 miles per hour. You guys can actually tell in the video, but it basically tops out at that point. It's not like a hard brake, but it doesn't let you go any faster. This thing for some reason would stop at 20 miles per hour, but it was still fun as hell. After the hill bomb, we ended up going to Hollywood and Highland Mall, scooted around there for a bit. We did not even get kicked out. No one even noticed us. No one said a thing to us. And then we ended up leaving and calling it a day right there. So this is going to be the end of the video, but I do have an idea for another video, and I have to ask you guys, if you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment section. Please leave a like. But I want to take the same idea to another level. There is another portion of Hollywood Hills called Mount Olympus, and it's basically where the richest of the rich people live. There's like the nicest houses, and on top of that, it also has the steepest streets ever. I think I might have like an old vlog of me skating down one of the streets a long time ago, but its streets are literally, I'm not even joking you, super inclined. They're even hard to walk up. So if you guys enjoyed this video, I might end up remaking this video and going up to Mount Olympus, finding the craziest hill right there and just drifting the whole way down. And I think for that hill, I might have to just hold on to the brake the whole time, and I would probably still be going fast as shit just because those hills are really freaking steep. But either way, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, please leave a comment exercising your freedom of speech in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are not subscribed already. Click the notification button if you want to be notified every time I post a video. I hope you guys have a good one. Peace.